Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Single entry we are discussing. Introduction is over, how to prepare single entry and the method of preparation, statement of affairs, statement of profit or loss, that also we have seen. Few problems also we have done. Now today we will work out single entry essay type problem. Together means statement of affairs and statement of profit. Together how to prepare. And some information is given with adjustments. With that adjustment, how we can prepare the single entry. This is useful for the final exams point of view. Essay type problem. So please concentrate and focus on today's class. By the way, there are many subjects which already covered in our channel. Check out the playlist, whatever may be the course, it is useful. Use it and don't forget to forward. Now coming to the session. So this is the simple problem given to us. Ravish, a retailer, has not kept books of accounts, not kept proper books of accounts. Means he did not maintain the accounts properly. It means it is single entry system. Whenever you find this word, not kept properly, accounts are not maintained properly, it means single entry system. In the first sentence only, we came to know that it is single entry system. And however, some ledger extracts are available. Few information is available from the ledger. What is this information? Particulars last year and this year. All these things are assets and liabilities only. Statement of affairs we are going to prepare. Statement of affairs means nothing but the balance sheet only. So related to the statement of affairs, we have this information. Total creditors last year, this year. Okay. In the same way, stock, loan from Naresh, cash in hand, furniture and fittings, total debtors, bank balance. So this is the information given. So this we are going to use it while preparing the statement of affairs. And adjustments also given. What are the adjustments? Furniture and fittings depreciation 780. We have 2 years, last year and this year. Please remember, adjustments we have to do it with current year, this year only, not with the last year. Last year we are not going to touch any kind of adjustments. Adjustments for present year, this year. Okay. So furniture and fittings depreciation 780. So we'll take it for 7,800. 7,800 minus depreciation of 780. Will not touch 7,250. This will be as it is. Next, proprietor withdrew 100 rupees per week per personal use, for personal use. Proprietor withdrew means this is drawings. Drawings are 100 rupees per week. Full year we have to prepare. How many weeks are there in a year? 52. 100 into 52. That will be the drawings. Drawings we are going to take it into the statement of profit. We'll take first closing stock, closing capital, add drawings. You know, there we are going to add this one. Next one, included in trade debtors, a bad debts of 270. In debtors, bad debts are included. Let us deduct it. From which debtors? Debtors of 4,560 minus 270 will not touch 5,280. This will be as it is. Okay. Next, interest at 5% per annum is due on the loan from Naresh. Naresh loan, where it is? Yeah, loan from Naresh. Interest due. We'll take only this one only, this year, not the previous year. Interest due means payable. 10,000 plus outstanding interest. 5%. 5% comes to 500. Okay. 10,000 plus 500, add 500 will be showing into the statement of affairs of this year. That's it. I'll work out and I'll show you. First, what we need to do is here, first step is statement of affairs. In statement of affairs, we are going to get the opening capital, closing capital. Both are important to prepare the statement of profit. So that is why first we'll prepare statement of affairs. Now let's enter into the topic. So first one is statement. Here I have already written the format. Statement of affairs, if any date is given, as on 31st December 2020 or 31st December or 31st March 2020, whatever date is given. So you have to write over there. Okay. Now format, if you see, liabilities, assets, same like balance sheet. But we have provided two columns, this last year, this year, because two informations are given. Okay. Last year, this year. Okay. Now what we'll do, each and every item we'll just post it into the statement of affairs. First we'll start with cash in hand. Okay, cash in hand is an asset. Cash in hand, how much it is? 570, 670. Next, this is over. Total creditors, creditors are liabilities. Total creditors 6,270 and 5,890. Over. Next, stock. Stock is a asset. Stock is 15,000, 16,000. Stock is over. Next, loan from Naresh. Oh, sorry, remember we have adjustments. No, whenever we have adjustments, we have to keep it over there only. There is an adjustment. Furniture and fittings. Furniture and fittings. Here is an adjustment. And with drawings anyway, drawings will take it to the statement of profit. And debtors adjustment is there here. And interest on loan, here there is an adjustment. 3 adjustments we have. Okay. So while working out the problem, will not ignore it. Now what is left? Naresh loan. Naresh loan is here. Loan from Naresh. There is an adjustment only for this year. Previous year is as it is, 10,000. What is that adjustment? Interest on loan 5% is due. Due means payable. So what will do? 10,000 plus 5%. 5% on 10,000 means 500, na? It is 500. 500 is outstanding interest. We have to add. So 10,000 plus 500. It is 10,500 this year. Getting? Next. Cash in hand already we have taken. This is also over. Now furniture and fittings here. Furniture and fittings. First year will not touch, as it is 7,250. Second year we have a depreciation of 780. So 7,800 minus 780. We'll see the calculation later. And next, debtors. Debtors also there is an adjustment. First year will be 5,280 as it is. Second year debtors 270 is included. To 4,560. 4,560 minus 270. Debtors are also over. Next, bank balance. So this is also we could have written after cash in hand only. Anyway, no problem. Bank balance. $4,000, 4,200. Okay. So we have written everything. Now what we'll do? We'll close this. We'll do the calculations now. First we'll see 7,800 minus 780. 7020. And this one 4,560 minus 270. 4,290. We have written everything, just we need to close. Okay. So first we will calculate it on the asset side. First one is 570 plus 15,000 plus 7,250 plus it means 9,280. 9,280. It comes to 32,100. Anyway, credit side is more, same amount will write 32,100. In the same way, this year also total will be 16,670 plus 7020 plus 4290 plus 4,200. It is 32,180. 32,180. 32,180 minus 15,000, no, 5,890 minus 10,500. It comes to 15,790. 15,790. And here 32,100 minus 16,270. Comes to 15,830. 15,830. What are these? These are capital. Okay. In brackets I'll write this is balancing figure. Always remember, as we have done statement of affairs, whenever we prepare, assets will be more, liabilities are less. So the difference we call it as a capital. This is opening capital, closing capital. Now coming to the statement of profit. Statement of profit always will start with the closing capital. Okay. So we'll start with the closing capital. Just now we got closing capital is 15,730. 15,790. What is the format? Closing capital will take. Add drawings. Okay. Add drawings. Drawings are given to us where it is proprietor withdrew 100 rupees per week. 100 rupees per week means 100 into 52 weeks. 5,200. If we add it, 990, 20,990. Am I right? Yes, I am right. Okay. As per the format closing capital, we have added drawings. Next, deduct additional capital, deduct opening capital. Do we have any additional capital given in the problem? No. Naidiyana, there is nothing. So no additional capital. What else we have? We know that there is an opening capital. Opening capital should be deducted, isn't it? So minus opening capital. Opening capital is 15,830. If you deduct, you will get profit. 20,990 minus 15,830 comes to 5,160. This is the profit. Am I clear? First note down or take a screenshot, pause the video, anything you can do it, then I'll give you recap. If you can understand this problem, you can work out single entry any kind of problem. More or less, a little more adjustments you'll find, but make sure this class must be thorough. You must understand it. Let me give you a recap. There is nothing to worry. Some information is given related to the statement of affairs. It means balance sheet and also adjustments. Adjustments always we have to do it with current year, not the previous year. Okay. Sometimes they may give you 2020, 2021. Means adjustments for the 2021 only, not for the previous 2020. This you must be very careful. So what we have done first, statement of affairs. Statement of affairs format is, simply we have posted all the assets and liabilities over here by considering the adjustments. Whenever we have adjustments, put a tick mark so that you will not forget that adjustment while posting into the statement of affairs. So I have already put a tick mark of loan from Naresh, furniture and fittings depreciation is there, and bad debts for the debtors. These three adjustments we have done here. One is here, second one is here, and third one is here. This is for the current year only, this year only. Previous year we did not touch it. When we have done statement of affairs, we got a balancing figure, that is capital. Please remember, balancing figure is always capital. With capital only we are going to start the statement of profit, right? So Immediately after that, statement of profit I have opened. Particulars amount you can write here. Closing capital, we'll start with closing capital 15,790. To that we have to add the drawings. Drawings are given here 100 rupees per week. 100 rupees per week means 52 weeks. 100 into 52, 5,200 added, and deduct opening capital. Opening capital is this one, 15,830 deducted. You got the profit. If any additional capital is given in the problem, that also we would have deducted, but now it is not given here. Simple, that's all. Hope it is clear. Do one thing, rather than noting, just understand it, work out this problem without looking at the solution, so that you'll have a good understanding, good practice also. Take out your test book and practice more. That will be easy for you, and practice makes you more perfect. You'll have the confidence also. So if you are understanding, please write it in the comment box that you are understanding, you have done this problem without looking at the solution, etc., etc. Right? So don't forget to share this videos. Check out the playlist also. Stay connected. Next class we'll work out one more problem. So good luck.